Hi everyone! In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change button color on Shopify. I am on the home page of my Shopify store and I am in admin mode, and I'm going to go down here to online store, and under themes I'm going to click customize. I am in the spotlight theme right now, so I'm going to hit customize. And up at the top of the page, I'm going to go to the cart section. And here you can see my checkout button is blending in with my background, so I want to change that. So I'm going to go over here to theme settings. And under the colors tab, I have different color schemes on my page. So I'm going to go to the one that matches the checkout button. And then under solid button background, I'm going to go in here and change that to white. And as you can see, that changed my checkout button from matching my background to standing out. So if you need to change button colors on your Shopify store, just go into your theme settings with whatever respective theme you have and change up the color scheme that involves the buttons.